Welcome back guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in today's video I would like to tell you about some features of the Samsung mobiles which are valid from the older mobiles, and One UI version 2.0, 3.1, 4.1. In every mobile you can find that feature. So not wasting much of your time, let us go. Before proceeding further, I would like to request you kindly subscribe this channel. So first I would like to tell you here, battery is showing, battery percentage is not written here. How can we activate them? Just we will go push the notification panel, push the three dots here, and when we will go quick panel layout here, we can see the show brightness on top. It is not here. We will go back, we will again go there, and then status bar. Here we can see that show battery percentage. If we made it on, then here you can see it now, it is 49 written there, and if we made it off, nothing will be there. So this is first, we can turn it off and on, turn it off and on. Now it is turned off. The second thing I want to tell you about, suppose we are pushing the notification panel down. Here we are seeing that media and device is written. So sometimes it becomes irritating to see this. So how we can remove it? Just push it down, tap on the three dots, then quick panel layout, and then show media and device it is on, just switch it off. Now if we go there and if we push it down, it will not come. So we can get rid of the irritating view. Now I will tell you about the brightness. Suppose here brightness is here, I can reduce and increase it, and if I'm putting it down, it is also in the bottom. I can reduce and increase. If I do not want to see on both up and down, what I have to do? Just tap on the three dots, go to the quick panel layout, and then show brightness on top. Just we made it off. Done. Now it will not go up, it will only can be seen on the below, only below. So this is about the third thing I want to discuss with you. Now intensity of the torch. Here we are seeing the torch. So if we making it on, torch will on, and we can see that it is on. You can see here. So how can we increase the intensity? Just put it here, and now we can go up to the maximum level. So from here we can off also. This is how, just put the lower portion where torch is written slightly, and then we can adjust the brightness by getting it on. So this is about the torch feature. Now I will summarize all. First we have seen the battery percentage. How can we see battery percentage in analog as well as not showing position? And then second, one thing I also want to tell you about, suppose we want to see the recent applications, we just pushing it and we can see the all tabs which are opened here. So if we want to toggle with the last one, suppose I am opening gallery and then I am opening this Play Store. Now I want to see last two screens only, so just double press these three lines. First is Play Store, second is gallery, then again first is Play Store, second is gallery. So this is the toggle between last two open screens. This is also a hidden secret. You can just tap 2 times and you will toggle between last two screens. So this is all about today's tutorial. I have told you about 4-5 features which is applied through older or newer Samsung mobile. One UI2.0, 3.1, 4.1, any version it is there. So that's all about today's video. If you like this video, please share with your friends on social media platform, and please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.